more power to this idea. May it grow, may it become bigger, and may it grow from beyond Sky City into the rest of the city.
Really happy that in these 2 years, this is about 300 times bigger.
Event has been really fruitful for us.
I feel this is the right platform for people to come and to understand and value our own traditional, and it gives industry and individuals to showcase the way they are doing their products.
In this sense, I think what we see is the beginning of something like an Academy Awards of craft.